I'd make everyone happy, but you're dead inside just like me. Now we're here at a standstill. I wonder if you feel the kind of pain that rips your insides out. That's something I know all about. Shocking, ain't it? We have a lot more in common than you would be calm with. Just like we're the same person, me and you. We both don't know what we can do. Just because I can't be heard, I need you to say something to be heard. I can't fix you. Just because I can't be heard, made me awake and made me hurt. I can't fix you. Be heard, need you to say something to be heard. I can't fix you. I can't fix you. I can't fix you. Just because I can't be heard, made me awake and made me hurt. I can't fix you. I can't fix you. I can't fix you.
This is where it ends. If you wanna get past me, well, you better try again. And no matter how I stall you, you don't give up your attack. Do you just like the feeling of your sins crawling on your back? Go ahead and try to hit me if you're able. You should know by now the mercy's off the table. Think that you can try to spare me like I'm someone. What you did is burn my brother, so get done.